Welcome back. Now, when you have an image inside of your canvas, you can go to the image menu and you can rotate that image. And so in this case, what we're going to do is we're going to hover over this area, and you'll notice that we have 4 choices for rotation. We can rotate clockwise, counterclockwise, or 180 degrees, or we can even determine a custom angle. Now, for the sake of this example, we're going to rotate this image counterclockwise. And you're going to see how this image rotates. And of course, if we want to undo it and go back to the way the image was, we can click the undo button. What we can also do in the image menu is by going to the image, we can turn on or off canvas snapping. What this basically means is that the canvas will automatically snap to the edges of the images on your canvas. If we turn off the canvas snapping and we open up an image, then the image will be within a specific canvas. If we turn off canvas snapping, then the image will fall within the canvas that you have available to you. We can also change the canvas color, and we can click this canvas color, and we can indicate what we want the canvas color to be, and we can do that by going to this area. We can either change based on the eyedropper, or we can choose our color. So in this case, we can choose our color. We can click OK. And then when we expand the image, what you're going to see here is that our canvas is going to open up and it's going to change to that color here in this area. So basically, we can control the nature of the canvas as well as the appearance of the selection by using these image control tools. Okay, so with that, thanks, and I will see you in another video.